to show you my going out to a fancy dinner party look. So to get started, I'm just going to start with my primer, and mine is the NYX Total Control Primer. Next, because clearly I am very red today, I'm going to go in with a green color correction stick. This one is from Ulta. And I'm just going to put it in the areas where I'm red. I'm also going to use it as a primer on my lips because we're going to be doing a red ombre. So this will give it a nice neutral base. Now I'm just going to go in with my foundation and blend it in. Next, we are going to go in with our cream contour. I use BH Cosmetics Studio Pro palette. This thing is fantastic. So I'm just going to go in with this middle dark shade. And now I'm just going to blend it in. Next, I am going to go in with my concealer. I'm also going to use the BH Studio Contour Cream Pro Kit. I'm going to go in with a lighter shade under my eyes. And now I'm just going to blend that in. Now, just to make sure under my eyes are as concealed as possible, I'm going to go in with another concealer. I'm just going to dab it under my eyes and blend it in with a blender ball. Now I'm going to go in with my setting powder and bake. So now for the fun part, the brows and the eyes. I am just going to brush my eyebrows and fill them in a little bit using the e.l.f. brow pencil. It's in the darkest shade they have. Just going to sweep. I'm going to start with my eyeshadow primer. I used the Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24-Hour Crease Proof Primer. So now we're going to do a glittery, champagne-y, smoky eye. I'm going to start with a taupey color, and I'm going to put that right in the crease. I'm using the Hidden Treasure Chest from Tarte. I'm going to go in with the color Caravan. Right along the crease. Next, I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and I'm going to go in with this color Tempt and put that right into the crease. now I'm going to go in with my black and do the outer corners of my eye. Just gonna use Onyx from the Dose of Color Hidden Treasure palette. For that, I'm going to use kind of a flat blender brush. This one is the Absolute Shadow Brush from It Cosmetics. So now I am going to go in with a lighter shade and just fill in the middle to inner part of the eye. I'm going to use a matte. I'm going to use the color Utopia from the Hidden Treasures palette. Just going to use a flat brush to do it. So before I go in with my glitter, I am going to blend this out. I'm going to go back in with the flat brush and do under my brow. I'm going to take that color Utopia. I'm going to go in with glitter primer from NYX. And I'm going to go right in from the center of the eye to the tear duct. This will make sure that the glitter really sticks and holds the whole night. I'm just going to go in with the flat brush. Here I'm using the Smoothing Concealer brush from It Cosmetics. Just going to dab a little bit on. And put it right from the center to the front. Now I'm going to go in with my glitter. This is a champagne shade from NYX. I'm super excited. It is Pigment 20. I'm just going to put a little bit into the cap and use that same brush that I applied the primer with to apply this to my lid. So now I'm gonna go into my lower lash line with black. I'm going to take a flat brush like that, spray it for high intensity and go right into that lash line. Now I'm going to finish it up by throwing on some lashes and some liner. The lashes that I'm using today are from House of Lashes from Sephora. I am obsessed with these. These are the Everlasting lashes. I can't wait to get them on. Okay, so now we're going to wipe off our powder. So now I'm going to go in with my powder contour. Okay, so I'm going to use the colors Mary Jo by Kylie Cosmetics and Mary. So I'm going to take the Mary lippy pencil and just go into the corners of my lips. Next, I'm going to take the Mary color and just go into that section as well as the lower part of my lip. now I'm going to go in the middle with my Mary Jo. So now to blend them in, I am just going to take this flat brush. And just to intensify that ombre, I'm going to go in with the color Vixen, which is also a Kylie Cosmetics. And I'm just going to go into the corners of my lips. I'm going to take my finishing powder and go over the whole face. And there you have it, my going out look, my glittery smoky eye, and my ombre look. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and to follow me on Instagram at @x_nvbeauty. Thank you.